Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today I'm in the garage and I'm doing some building some shelving. Basically, the other week I was on Amazon looking for some stuff for the garage and I came across one of these. Now, it's not overly tall, it's about 5 foot. But this is a nice little shelf, £22. There'll be a link in the description. And what I thought I'd do is buy a couple of these. I got another to go here, which I'm going to be building for you all today. And they're great because all this stuff here is for the New Yorker, for the Chrysler. This is all the bits that come with the car. And I got a few other spare bits off the Rover. We've listed most of the Rover stuff now because we don't need it. A nice carb there too and a fire extinguisher just in case. So I thought, well, I'll do a video of building these just to show how easy it is. It takes about 10-15 minutes if that. It's in the box behind me. It's all flat packed. It comes with the shelving, so you can, all the shelving's adjustable, which you'll see in a second. But yeah, we'll build it, put it there, and yeah, what I'll do is set the camera up on a tripod and you can see how easy they are to build. So here's the contents of the box. I thought I'd better show you this before we start building. Yeah, we got quite a few parts, and then we got the wood here. 5 pieces of wood, as you can see on the other one I've built here. So what I'll do is set the tripod up and get building it. Okay, so the first step is getting the main legs done. So we got these here, these little bits, and they basically slot in like so. There we go. And what you need to do, get yourself a rubber mallet and just make sure he's in. There you go. And then this piece, another leg piece, goes on here, and that's pretty much, that's your height. Yeah, not bad. So I'm going to build the rest of these, and yeah, I'll speed the video up, of course. Okay, there we go, 4 legs. Now, you got these pieces, and these are basically your shelves. If I just look at my other. So yeah, you can place these up and down where you want them, just to make your shelves. But the front of the shelf are these pieces, and same process really. But what I done with that one was I put one at the top and one at the bottom, then you fit the others in later. That way you can stand it up and it make it easier to judge where you want your shelves. So that's what I'm going to do now. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so that's both front and back, or back and front, doesn't really matter. So now to connect these up, we're going to use these parts, which are basically these side bits here. And again, I'm going to do the top and the bottom, and then we can put our shelves in the middle where we want them and everything. I'm not going to do the shelves the same as this one. They go spaced apart a bit more. The only reason I've done these two is because I want to keep these for light bulbs and everything, like the box stuff like that. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay, so the main frame is done, as you can see. So now it's just a case of adding the shelves. Now, like I said, I'm not doing it like the one behind it. I'm going to put the shelves spaced apart a bit more. So yeah, let me just go around, grab the first one. Boards like this, and they fit perfectly. And then you have a shelf for car park. So yeah, I'll get on, carry on, do all the rest, and we'll see how it goes. And there we have it. So, a little bit of a problem. I didn't realise, I totally forgot about this light switch because we had a wheel trim on it. The Rover wheel trim, the remains of the Rover. And yeah, so there's a bit of a gap here, and this one can't go over any further because of that shelf being there, which the house come with that, so let's stay there. So yeah, I got a nice little gap here, but we'll sort it out in time. Originally we've got to put one this side, but no, it won't work, especially getting a car in and out of the garage. So I think they're fine now. Little bit, you can get through that. That's the main thing. And the streetwise does have to come this way a bit more. The only reason the streetwise is on a funny angle, I don't know if you can tell, but we had to squeeze it in, and we was hoping to get the 500 here, the Fiat 500, but unfortunately, because even though it's a classic car and everything, we still would have to take the bumpers off and the bumper off the streetwise just to get it in here. But yeah, anyway, there's the shelf. So yeah, for £22 off Amazon, it takes about 15 minutes to build. I didn't time myself, but it's around that. So now I can start adding stuff to it. Like I said, I space the shelves apart. Mainly, this one's going to have the bigger, bulkier stuff on. And then this one's going to be, I want the cleaning stuff on the top, actually. So the first two shelves might be cleaning stuff, and then we'll see. But yeah, there we have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video on these shelving units. I don't know how well a video will turn out, but I wanted to do a video on it just to show you, really, and they are really a good bargain. It being cute at the moment, they got the same kind of shelving for about 50 quid, and it's exactly the same. So it's plenty for what we need in the garage. If you add more heavier stuff, more heavy duty stuff, then like if you put in 5 or 6 batteries on a shelf, then yeah, you probably would need a stronger shelf. I don't know how much weight it could take, but it's all in the description of the item. Link is in the description to the Amazon shop, so you can have a look for yourselves. But yeah, there we go. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully an update on the Streetwise very soon. We have made a start. So yeah, bye for now.